Yeah, I think it's shifting to Honolulu there, Hollow Point. I think the conditions are shifting around Honolulu. Hollow Point 808. We're going to work the east side of Honolulu. Hollow Point 808 on the east side. I'm back out. I gotta wait on Mother Nature. Alright, I'll give about another 15 minutes. Hollow Point 808. You can enjoy this cold one. I'm back out. Hey, good news, good news. Showing up around Waikiki. Good news, 808 in the Mobile. Good news, 808. Standing by. Back in the bus. I'm out.